Welcome to Vegas.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Hey guys. Hey, what's up?
Hi. What's up?
Say hello to my camera.
Hi.
So cute. Where are you from?
From Utah.
Utah. Wow, like you're shining in the streets and
We're taking the view in. We love it.
Damn. So how long have you been here?
Oh, just like a couple days. Yeah.
A couple of days. So far, how is everything?
Love it. I love this big city.
What is the best part of the city? Like, or the best thing of the city? What is this thing that makes you so excited? Or feel
Just
like,
me is all the people. I love that.
Like how? The people?
I just love how many people there are. I don't know. I just
and
love
like
that.
the freedom and the weed, smoking around.
Yeah.
We've been feeling the weed like too much time.
Right?
Yeah, with my friend Richard. Actually. Richard, say hi, man. Say hi.
Hello.
Yeah, we're filming like the nightlife of the city.
Right,
So
awesome.
maybe you can give us some recommendation. Yeah, give us
okay.
some recommendation. What to do, what not to do.
I don't know. Maybe just like
Not much to do in Utah. He's from Kenya. He doesn't.
Oh, really?
Yeah, what to do here, like here,
Clubbing. Parties.
parties.
Yep. We're
And
shopping.
Shopping too? Is it so expensive here?
Yeah, they're pretty expensive, but
Oh.
good stuff. Quality
Uh-huh.
stuff.
And drinks, how much does it cost on an average?
Well, we have people who buy drinks for us, so we don't,
Oh, because of the girls, you know? I don't know, I feel like
we don't buy drinks.
Oh man, they're so cute, man.
Thank you.
Any advice for people coming to Las Vegas, like recommendation, especially like what to carry, what not to do? Like, you know, somebody planning to come to Las Vegas,
I'd
what should they
say-
take?
If you're staying on the strip, definitely book a nicer hotel that's around here, not down there, because down there is more sketchy.
So around here, not down there. Okay,
Yeah.
And also, I think just like being open to like meeting new people because there's so many people here. And just like being open and friendly.
And they're international actually, right?
What?
Most people here are international, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's just amazing like meeting all different kinds of people. There's so many people.
Wow, you guys look so cute, like damn. I don't know if you have Instagram, maybe I can tag you on the video.
yeah.
And you?
Yeah, I do.
So at the end of the video, okay, just say welcome to Vegas, like in a very jovious way.
Okay.
So 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Vegas.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video or you enjoyed this video of Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm here with
Richard from Richard's Drill.
Yeah, I'm with Richard and actually we'll be making these videos together. Kindly guys, as you watch this, hit that subscribe button in Richard's YouTube
Check
channel.
out Richard's Real Traveler.
Yeah, and also, man, give this video a like. If it gets 1,000 likes and 1,000 shares, we shall be doing again and again. Yeah, right now in Las Vegas, man, look at these things here, man. I want to show you like crazy things, but yeah, a lot of crazy things in Vegas, man. Weed everywhere, beautiful girls. Look, man. Super beautiful girls here, man. Like, it's so amazing. Yeah, but we're gonna film, even if it feels sometimes like a little uncomfortable. We have to show you what this thing is about, man, right?
Definitely.
Yeah, man. That's why we're gonna say give the video what?
Give it 1,000 likes and we'll
Yeah,
make another
1,000 video and we'll make another. And if you subscribe to Richard and subscribe to me, we shall do double videos a day, 2 videos a day.
video. Yep.
Yeah.